Hello and welcome to For the Sake of Curiosity. My name is Tommy, and in this video, we're going to be talking about the wild world of neurorobotics. Neurorobotics, a combined study of neuroscience, robotics, and artificial intelligence, is the science and technology of embodied autonomous neural systems. Neural systems include brain-inspired algorithms, computational models of biological neural networks, and actual biological systems. Such neural networks can be embodied in machines with mechanic or any other forms of physical actuation. This includes robots, prosthetics, or wearable systems, but also, at a smaller scale, micro machines and, at the larger scales, furniture and infrastructures. At its core, neurorobotics is based on the idea that the brain is embodied and the body is embedded in the environment. Therefore, most neurorobots are required to function in the real world as opposed to a simulated environment. Beyond brain-inspired algorithms for robots, neurorobotics may also involve the design of brain-controlled robot systems. Neurorobotics represents the two-front approach to the study of intelligence. Neuroscience attempts to discern what intelligence consists of and how it works by investigating intelligent biological systems, while the study of artificial intelligence attempts to recreate intelligence through non-biological or artificial means. Neurorobotics is the overlap of the two, where biologically inspired theories are tested in a grounded environment with a physical implementation of said model. The success and failures of a neurorobot and the model it is built from can provide evidence to refute or support that theory and give insight for future study. Neurorobots can be divided into various major classes based on the robot's purpose. Each class is designed to implement a specific mechanism of interest for study. Common types of neurorobots are those used to study motor control, memory, action selection, and perception. Neurorobots are often used to study motor feedback and control systems and have proved their merit in developing controllers for robots. Locomotion is modeled by a number of neurologically inspired theories on the action of motor systems. Locomotion control has been mimicked using models or central pattern generators, which are clumps of neurons capable of driving repetitive behavior, to make four-legged walking robots. Other groups have expanded the idea of combining rudimentary control systems into a hierarchical set of simple autonomous systems. These systems can formulate complex movements from a combination of these rudimentary subsets. There are robots designed to test theories of animal memory systems. Many studies currently examine the memory system of rats, particularly the rat hippocampus, dealing with place cells, which fire for a specific location that has been learned. Systems modeled after the rat hippocampus are generally able to learn mental maps of the environment, including recognizing landmarks and associating behaviors with them, allowing them to predict the upcoming obstacles and landmarks. Neurorobots in these studies are presented with simple mazes or patterns to learn. Some of the problems presented to the neurorobot include recognition of symbols, colors, or other patterns, and execute simple actions based on the pattern. Action selection studies deal with negative or positive weighting to an action and its outcome. Neurorobots can and have been used to study simple ethical interactions, such as the classical thought experiment where there are more people than a life raft can hold, and someone must leave the boat to save the rest. However, more neurorobots used in the study of action selection contend with much simpler persuasions, such as self-preservation or perpetuation of the population of robots in the study. These neurorobots are modeled after the neuromodulation of synapses to encourage circuits with positive results. Neurorobots have also been used to study sensory perception, particularly vision. These are primarily systems that result from embedding neural models of sensory pathways in autonomous. This approach gives exposure to the sensory signals that occur during the behavior and also enables a more realistic assessment of the degree of robustness of the neural model. Neuroscientists benefit from neurorobotics because it provides a blank slate to test various possible methods of brain function in a controlled and testable environment. Furthermore, the robots are more simplified versions of the systems they emulate. They are more specific, allowing more direct testing of the issue at hand. They also have the benefit of being accessible at all times, while it is much more difficult to monitor even large portions of a brain while the animal is active, let alone individual neurons. While the subject of neuroscience is growing as it has, numerous neural treatments have emerged, from pharmaceuticals to neural rehabilitation. Progress is dependent on an intricate understanding of the brain and how exactly it functions. It is very difficult to study the brain, especially in humans, due to the danger associated with cranial surgeries. Therefore, the use of technology to fill the void of testable subjects is vital. And now, you know about neurorobotics. Make sure to go ahead and give the thumbs up button and the subscribe button both a gentle tap, so that way we may help the channel grow and be blessed by that almighty YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.